What's up, guys? We got a fun one for you today. You know, sometimes when you're playing World of Tanks, you can get into some frustrating games. You can get killed, destroyed, annihilated early on. Doesn't feel like you can get anything going. And what I did when what's happening in this case is I had to shake it up a little bit. I had to take some low-tier puppy kickers, take them out into battle, and just destroy some tanks. What you're gonna see is me doing that, and the resulting battles that followed from that pretty much changed the whole day around for me. Hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day. I can't make you shoot them, I guess, so... This is gonna get dicey real quick, fucker. Get off of me! Frick! Oh, fuck you. They just hammered the middle. That is a lot of arty to feast on. Hello? Are there? Ole! Hello! Gotcha. Oh, good tracking. You, sir, are weak and inefficient. You, sir. Jesus Christ. We may have to abandon the Thunderdome. We're in deep shit. Yep. Wow, we are having some rough games. What do we play? What do we play when we're having some rough games? I have not taken the Sexton out in a while. I have not touched any arty in a while. We're having some rough games, and I feel like shitting on some people. Here we go. Tracked him. He would have ran right into it. So sad. Next, please. Hello, sir. Next, please. Do I really need food on this guy? What are we doing, bud? Oh, you're tracked. What? Dun, 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 dun. Get dialed in a little bit on this guy. Hello. You, sir. You look like you want to tangle. Please kill him. Please kill him. Eh. It's cathartic. This is good. Nah, man. Thank you.
Little help?
Can't be bothered. Can't be bothered to stop for you, bud. We gotta see what else is available up here. Who are we shooting at? This guy? Here. Go right there. Sorry, but you're dead. Oh, you little bitch. Get up there. Oh. We'll get you on this one. Don't. What? Oh, Tilly. Oh, Tilly, you're so adorable. Get on up. Oh, hello. How you doing? How you doing, my friend? It was a bad mistake for you. Just show my ass at the enemy here. Turn, Rampanza. Turn. Roll up a little skill round here, I don't mind if I do. Take this Rampanzer out and we should be good. Una más. Find this arty. Let's find these arty. You guys can handle those two, right? Oh, I see you, Artie. Una más. Are you kidding? Fine, I'll aim. Whatever. Excuse me. You can fuck right off, sir. Nice try. There you go. Don't you run away from me, you're my kill. You're my kill! I feel better already. See, a little puppy kicking just brings everything back into perspective. You get shit on for a few rounds, play a couple puppy kickers. That's my advice.
Don't they know you're in the danger zone?
You can go back to the garage, sir. Thank you. Hi, how you doing? Don't mind my DPM. Don't mind me, sir. Excuse me, trying to get through. Trying not to die. Excuse me. Yep, you guys go ahead. You go ahead and we'll play around in this field down here. You guys are good, right? You got that whole flank. I'm gonna go help these guys down south. Yeah, na, 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 na. I actually got a decent amount of assisted there. That's pretty good. See what's left down here. Earn a little boosty boost. See how bad these guys want to play. What's up, bud? How's your DPM? Mine's pretty good, to be honest. How well can you track me? Pretty good? Pretty good? Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, Artie, you're over here. Cool. Good to know. What are you guys doing up there? This Achilles that I spotted at the beginning of the match is still alive and full health. That is an affront to my spotting sensibilities. Yusa! What's going on, bud? I'm sorry, what? Let's go wrangle this Artie down. Oh, you did not shoot that shit at me. Not the most accurate gun in the world, so you gotta get close, but, you know, you see what they can do. Could have easily been another top gun. We'll take another MVP. See? The mental reset of playing puppy kickers. I gotta... Hello? Let him. Oh, get back. 1,000 assisted just like that. Thank you very much. Hello, sir. Yeah, I'm trying. Comes back out again, I'll get him. Hold steady. 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 See a weak light ink, and I must have it for my collection. Hopefully I don't regret this too much. Oh, there's a... Where's that Artie? Hello. How you doing, bud? Yusa. As for you... Oh, that was rude. Artie! Oh, Jaegeru's almost dead too. Goodbye, sir. Missed. Run, you cur! I'll tell all the other cur. Oh, man! Oh, man! Another already around here somewhere. It's a good tank. I haven't played this one much either. I started off playing it with the derp cannon, and it's fun, but it's definitely better. Like, the regular cannon is a beast. And a laser. Oh, you gotta be shitting me, dude. You gotta be shitting me. Lack of awareness on my part. I can get back there in 2 minutes, so. As long as the other guys aren't there. And there's a TD that's close, so he should be able to reset the cap. I don't know where these guys are. Map's so big. Holy shit, that's a lot of assisted. Oh, hello. How you doing, bud? Don't shoot me, okay? Trying to reset the cap here. That'll take care of that. Now we can turn our attention to that Dust Star, who I do believe was right up here. We're gonna try to not get one shot by him. Oh, you're fucked now, sir. Hello. How you doing? I'd like to talk to you about your choice in internet service. Hello. Don't care about you right now. Killing Artie first. Now I care about you. Yo-chan! Get him! Yes, sir! That's how we want to wind up. On the podium, top spot, MVP. Let's go! Then... yeah, so we had some fun. We had a couple top guns, had like several MVPs. Then we had a couple of shitty games, and then we hit the big reset by playing the Sexton and the Rampanzer and just destroying people left and right. So it was a lot of fun. Guys, thank you for hanging out.